Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this blue look. This is using the new Morphe and Maddie palette. So as you can see, I'm going in with that orange shade in my crease with the 224 brush by MAC. And then I'm using that blue to deepen the outer corners of my eye with the 217 brush. Then I meant to point at that sky blue color from this palette. It is so pigmented. I really do like that palette. And then I am using the James Charles palette and going in with that rusty color. And these are my lashes, SLR Beauty. I am using Chic, the style Chic. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. So go ahead and prep my skin. And you just want to rub that in. Next, I'm using the Born This Way foundation in Chestnut, and I'm using a 109 brush by MAC to blend that out. Don't forget to get your neck, ladies, and take off the excess hairs from the brush. Next, I went ahead and sprayed my entire face with the watermelon mist. I did not record my concealer look. And then I'm using the Anastasia So Hollywood highlighter. I haven't used this in a while. And I'm just highlighting my cheekbones and then down my nose. Next, I'm using Vibes by Morphe lip pencil to go ahead and outline my lips. Sorry, this is just a quick little video of how to get this look, since I haven't posted in a while, but I have a few more videos coming soon, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I know I've been a little MIA, but I am ready to get active again on YouTube. So I'm just blending, overdrawing my lips actually, and blending that out as well by rubbing my lips together. Next, I believe this is Sis by MAC, or any nude shade. I really just wanted like a brown lip for this look, and I've been dying to use this blue, so then I'm using the Fenty gloss. I believe this is Chocolit. And I love all of Fenty's Gloss Bomb glosses. They are so beautiful. Easy to work with, not tacky, extra glossy, perfect color. And there you have it, the final look. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shauna326 and at SLRbeauty_. Bye guys.